Good morning, my name is Anna, and I'm a PhD student at the University of Quebec in Abitibi-Témiscamingue. And today I'm going to present you my project. I will study the link between the climate and the wood anatomical trait of the sugar maple at the northern limits of its distribution in Quebec. Northern population of sugar maples presents low wood quality. We often find what we call earthwood coloration, which drastically reduce the timber value. This coloration seems to be correlated to the extreme extreme climate events, such as late frost events in the spring, which are more frequently present in the northern part of the distribution of the species. And for my project, we want to address this following research question, which are: is the species well adapted to the environment at the northern limit of its range? And is this likely to change with climate change? To address this question, we will study the plasticity of the xylem functional traits to evaluate maple adaptation to environment, and also its variability. We will focus on the vessel size, the wall thickness, abundance, and also the wood density and wood fiber quality. Anatomical traits of xylem will be measured with anatomical lab protocols, including microscopy and semi-automated image analysis. We will also use a densitometer for the wood density, and a fiber analyzer for the quality of the fiber. We are going to use this traits to associate them with the environmental and weather and climate condition. So for our objective, we will divide our my project in 3 chapters. The first one will characterize the xylem anatomical traits and how it varies along the latitudinal and longitudinal traits, gradient, sorry. For the second chapter, we will use these anatomical traits to link them with the climate and weather data. And for the third chapter, we will study the spatial and temporal variability of fiber quality and wood density of this species. So we expect that our outcomes will provide new results on xylem anatomical traits of sugar maple, and that it will help to understand the current functioning and variability of this species and vulnerability to at the northern limits of its distributional range. And we will thus define the silvicultural potential of sugar maple in this context of climate change. Thank you.